Good morning, children. Again, we are going to learn the same chapter, number system. Last 2-3 classes, you have seen that how to represent real numbers on the number line. Here, today, we are going to study about another method of representing real numbers on the number line. Today's topic is represent root x on the number line geometrically. As you know, the question is root x only. So the first step is draw AB equal to x centimeter and then extend AB to C such that BC equal to 1 unit. AC, total length of AC equal to x plus 1 centimeter. What is the first step? Draw AB equal to x centimeter. Any length you can take. So for your convenience, I am assuming that it is 9 centimeter. So the root 9 we are going to represent. So again, after this, we should extend one more unit here. So it will be, the total length will be 10. So what is the first step? AB equal to x centimeter. AB equal to x centimeter, then 1 more centimeter. I'll write the letters now. A, then B, C. So AB x BC 1, total length of AC equal to x plus 1. The next step is that we should find the midpoint of AC. How to find the midpoint of AC? Draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. So keep C or A the compass pointer, then more than half as the radius. Draw the radius of draw the arcs like this, up and down, above the line and below the line. I already drawn here. For understand, you already learned all these things in the lower classes, and we are cutting the arcs here and it meeting AC at O. For visibility or for viewing purpose, I make it the arc clear here. So now you got the first step. What we have done here, AB x unit, BC 1 centimeter more. So total AC equal to x plus 1. After that, we should find the midpoint of AC by drawing the perpendicular bisector of AC, which should be marked as O. We have find out the midpoint of AC, that is O. So with O as a center, OA as a radius. See that O as a radius. Similarly, COC as a radius, we should complete a semicircle. We should complete a semicircle. What is the center I have taken? O as a center. What is the radius? OC, or you can say OA. As a radius, we should complete the semicircle. I have completed the semicircle already. So I'll mark here. If your semicircle is completely correct, then you know that it should passes through the point A as well as C. Now what is the length of OA and OC? The total length, you know that AC equal to x plus 1. What is the total length of AC? X plus 1. Therefore OA and OC means half the way, x plus 1 divided by 2. So second step, what we have done, draw a semicircle with the center O and radius OA or OC, and length of OC we have calculated, that is x plus 1 divided by 2. Already in step 2 we completed the semicircle. Now third step is BD perpendicular to AC. So with B we have to take a center there, and 90-degree construction. Lower classes we have studied how to construct a 90-degree. Again we will draw the 2 arcs. From there we complete 2 more arcs. So I have already drawn here. That is a rough figure only. It is roughly I have drawn. So 90-degree construction. 2 cuttings you can see from there we have drawn. So using scale we should complete this BD. So BD is perpendicular to AC. The mark D on the semicircle where it touches. Sometimes your arc will be outside of the circle. Don't worry about that one. We should mark D on the semicircle where it touches. So BD perpendicular to AC. That is the third step. What is the third step? BD perpendicular to AC. At B, we have to construct a 90 degree and we should join that line in such a way that line should touch the semicircle at D. Now the last step, B as a center, BD as a radius, draw an arc. How to do that one? B as a center. Already you have constructed BD. B as a center, BD as a length. We have to draw an arc. So BD as the radius. This is the point and your arc is this. If you take the scale, your length BD as well as BE, that is equal. That is your root x. So BD length is root x. So as well as BE is also equal to root x. BD equal to BE equal to root x. This is the last step. Verify our construction. Now small diagram is there. Refer to that. We can write AB equal to x centimeter. BC equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, AC equal to x plus 1. Then we have find out the midpoint of AC, that is O. So OA equal to OC equal to x plus 1 divided by 2. That is total length divided by 2. Now the next step is that we have joined OD. It was not there in the figure. We have to join OD for finding the length of BD. So join OD is the next step. So we are getting a right triangle OBD where angle B is equal to 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write BD square. I have not taken hypotenuse, I have taken the perpendicular height. So BD square equal to hypotenuse OD square minus base OB square. Now OD square, we have to get the length, that is the radius of the circle only. So you already know OA, OC equal to x plus 1 by 2. So OD is also one of the radius. OA is a radius, OC is a radius and also OD is a radius. So this is also equal to OD. So we are completing here x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Now what is the length of OB? OB, for calculating OB, we can write that OB equal to AB minus OA. Right? AB minus OA. AB is x for us. What is OA? X plus 1 by 2. So x plus 1 by 2 we are substituting here. Taking the LCM 2x. Expand with the minus sign, minus x minus 1 by 2. 2x minus x is x minus 1 by 2. So OB we got here x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Expand the bracket. It is a plus b whole square, x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by 4 because it's a square. Similarly, minus x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by 4. Denominator is 4 only. So x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square plus 2x minus 1 divided by 4. So x square will get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 2x and 2x. So 4x by 4 which is equal to x. Since it is a square, we want BD only. Therefore BD equal to root x. So root x length is here, BD. So that is why B as a center, BD as the radius, we have completed this arc. So BD and BE are same. So BD equal to BE equal to root x. I'll repeat all the steps once again. First question, root x on the number line geometrically. Step 1. Draw AB equal to x unit, extend to C such that BC equal to 1, O is the midpoint of AC. Second step, draw a semicircle with the center O and radius OA. Third step, draw a line perpendicular to AC passing through B, intersecting semicircle at D and BD equal to root x. The last step, with the center, I repeat the last step, with the center B, radius BD, draw an arc meeting AC produced at E, BD equal to BE equal to root x. These all the steps are to be written first, then the diagram. Ready? Second question, represent root 9.5 on the number line geometrically. First step, draw AB equal to 9.5 cm, extend to C such that BC equal to 1 cm, O is the midpoint of AC. So first step is over. We have to find out the midpoint of AC. Second, draw the semicircle with the center O. Next, perpendicular to AC, that is BD perpendicular to AC. So next is join OD and we are getting the right triangle there. So length of BD to be taken with B as a center, BD as a radius, BD equal to root x. With B as a center, radius is BD. We have to draw a circle, semicircle only or arc we can say. That will be cut the given line at E. So extend little bit, then BD equal to B equal to root 9.5. The question is root 9.5. Now we have to draw AB 9.5, BC 1 cm. I'll complete the diagram. So the first step is C. Complete that. And we are writing here A, B, then C. Right? Now what is the next step? We have to find the midpoint. For the midpoint, we have to keep the compass at O and at C. See the radius? Similarly, just take here. And more than half we have to take. Then only we will get the midpoint perpendicular bisector, more than half. So here, up above the line, both the side, and below the line, we are drawing the arc. Joining the line, we are getting O, right? With O as a center, OC as a radius, we have to draw the semicircle. I'll complete. O as a center, OA as a radius, draw the semicircle. I'll use a sketch pen for seeing this correct line. So which cut the semicircle at D. Now B as a center, D as a radius, draw the semicircle or arc we can say. Here you mark E. So BD is root x as well as BE. So BD equal to BE equal to root x. Last question, represent root 5 on the number line geometrically. Not only decimal, we can draw root 2, root 3, root 5 like this method also. So this time I am taking root 5. Again the AB equal to 5 cm, then 1 more centimeter. So total length AC will be 6 cm you will get. Then perpendicular bisector, find the midpoint there. Then with O as a center, draw the semicircle. Then perpendicular, the next step, B as a center, BD as the radius, draw the arc which meet at the number line at E. Therefore BD equal to BE equal to root 5. These are the steps. If you are not able to get the steps, go again from the first diagram and each step you see, then learn, then draw the diagram. This is the final diagram for root 5. So see that AB equal to 5 cm, BC 1, AC we completed with the 6. Now AC is the circle you can passing through, that means O is the midpoint, OA as the radius. Then we are getting O as the center, we are completing the semicircle. After that at B we are drawing a perpendicular BD perpendicular to AC. So this touch at D. Now BD as a radius, B as a center, we are completing the arc that touch the number line at E. So BE equal to root 5. So BD equal to BE equal to root 5. So when you are asking the steps like this, you have to write the steps, then the diagram. 3 questions I completed. Maybe little bit difficult will be there for learning this diagram. So go through the first one again. Each step you see once again and learn the step. Then you complete the 3 diagram in your classwork. Thank you.